Now students, our next theorem is the converse of theorem 3. In previous video you have to learn the theorem 3. The statement of theorem 3 is the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So now this theorem will be converse of theorem 3. So the statement of theorem 4 is the line draw through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Bisect the chord and the perpendicular to the chord. So first you have to draw a circle and this is a center O and the line segment of this is a chord AB and perpendicular to O. Draw the line draw through the center of a circle, bisect a chord AB, and now last join the AO and the OB. So now here we given, first you have write down the given. AB is a chord of the circle with center O, and a line OM is drawn through the center O to the chord of AB. So such that M is the midpoint of, so you have to say that M is the midpoint of the chord of AB, that is AM equal to MB. So write down here that is AM equal to MB. You have to given you have already proved in theorem 3. So now to prove if AM equal to MB, so you can prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. So you can prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. So now let's we start. If you here we given in triangle, first you have write in construction of join OA and the OB and the triangle OAM. First you have to write triangle OAM and the triangle OBM. So we have AM. Here AM is equal to MB. AM equal to MB because M is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Now the next thing is OA equal to OB. So you can write as radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. And the next one is the angle triangle AOM. Sorry, triangle OAM equal and the OM equal to the OM is a common side. Common side. AM is equal to MB. This is a one side because M is the midpoint of the AB and OA equal to OB, radii of the same circle, and OM is the common side of these both triangles. So you can write down the triangle, therefore the triangle OAM equal and the congruence of triangle OBM by the SSS. These both are the three sides. So you can write as by SSS congruency rule. So you can prove that then angle OMA. So you can write down angle OMA is equal to the angle OMB by the CT. Put here the equation 1. Write down here this statement will be equation 1. Angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. Now you have already know AB is a straight line. So AB is a straight line. So AB is a straight line. So by using linear axioms. So by the linear axioms you can write down angle OMA plus angle OMB. Angle OMA and angle OMB will be make a 180 degree angle. So by the equation 1, angle OMA is equal to the angle OMB. So now put the value, this value here. So now angle OMA plus angle OME you can write as angle OMA equal to 180 degree. This is 2 angle OMA equal to 180 degree and angle OMA equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is 90 degree. So angle OMA equal to angle OMB equal to 90 degree. So each will be make a 90 degree. So then prove that OM is perpendicular bisector to AB. So this is the proof for this theorem.